Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Plenty of stocks in focus. Top of mind, of course, will be Infosys after the good set of numbers, the attractive buyback. A lot of brokerages have raised their target price on the stock as well. We'll come to that in a bit, but in the meantime, there are some other numbers to track. There's Angel One and Anand Rathi that we're looking at this morning post numbers. Surbi is here to give us the latest on that. Surbi.
Strong set of results from Angel One. They reported their highest ever quarterly revenue. The revenue was up 7% sequentially, the EBITDA was up 14%, and the PAT was up 18%. Operational metrics were also strong. Client base and number of orders both were up 11%. Average daily turnover, that was up 30%, and cost to income ratio was also lower sequentially at 49% versus 53% in the previous quarter. Next is Anand Rathi Wealth. Strong numbers there as well. The revenue was up 33% at 133 crores. PBT is up 40% at 58 crores. Their AUM increased by 16% and they added 451 clients this quarter as opposed to 307 the previous quarter. Client attrition was also lower at 1.42%. Expect both the stocks to be in green today.
Thank you very much for that. Now, Infosys, of course, is the big one. The ADR was up 4-5%, and the numbers seem pretty good. Rima is here with the analysis. Rima, hi, morning.
Hi, morning. A very good showing from Infosys. A Q2 margin beat, very strong deal wins. There is a buyback support. The miss was in the form of Q2 revenues, which came in softer than Street was anticipating. And as you pointed out, the ADR spurted close to 5.5%. So Q2 numbers, constant currency revenue growth of 4%, margins expanding by 150 basis points to 21.5%. The FY23 guidance has been tightened. So in terms of the revenue, they're now expecting revenue growth to come in at 15 to 16% versus the earlier 14 to 16%. So the lower end of the revenue guidance band has been raised. The upper end at 16% remains intact. On the margins, the reverse has taken place. The upper end of the margin guidance band has been brought down. So the new margin guidance is now at 21 to 22%. There is the buyback as well. It's an open market buyback, 9,300 crore at a maximum price of 1850. Brokerages are largely enthused by the numbers. So Nomura, Macquarie, CLSA, all of them are bullish on the stock. Back to you.
All right, Rima, but a busy week for you. You're lucky, though. Quite a few of your numbers are already out of the way. What about the other two names, Mindtree and Cyient? What's your take on them?
Well, Mindtree's been an excellent quarter yet again. It's an all-round beat. Only issue is that the management commentary was a bit cautious in the conference call which took place yesterday. Morgan Stanley and Nomura post the numbers have gone ahead and raised the target price because Q2 was a beat both on revenues as well as on margins. As I pointed out, the management commentary was a bit cautious. So it's not just retail. Now they're saying we're seeing incremental caution in the high-tech vertical as well. So, that's just the bit of a worry that the outlook is a bit uncertain. They said the merger with LTIs and its final legs will close by December 2022. Cyient Q2 was a miss. On revenues and margins, it's come in softer than what the Street was anticipating. That said, the FY23 guidance has been maintained and the company this time has given you an FY24 outlook, which is positive because most companies are shying away from talking about next year due to the uncertainty. But Cyient has come out and said that we aspire or we have the visibility to reach $1 billion of revenue by FY24. The question, it'll all lie now in terms of the execution of Cyient now. Back to you.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. So that's on Cyient. Perhaps stock could be under pressure today. But some more stocks that are in the news this morning. Sonal is here to give us the latest on that. Sonal, hi, morning.
Good morning, Sonia. Well, three stocks on my radar. Starting with Spark, the stock was up 2.5% yesterday as well. The company updated an investor presentation where they said that they are looking at 2 investigational new drug filings, which is targeted by FY24. They also say that there is a sharp focus on execution in order to deliver key updates in next 18 to 24 months. And licensing of a key seizure drug is also underway to a potential partner. In terms of liquidity, they say that balance of rupees 703 crore rupees to be received by December 2022 upon conversion of some warrants in the company, and they've obtained fresh approval in September 2022 for raising up to 1,800 crore rupees. The other stock that is on my radar is NMDC, received the MC approval for demerger a few days back, and now they've set the record date of this demerger on 28th October. Lastly, HDFC Life, because they have received the final approval that is coming from the insurance regulator for Exide Life merger. So these stocks on my radar today.
All right. Thank you very much, Sonal, for that.